Happy 4th of July. Oh, somebody's gonna be mad.
What?
Look at all the ants. The leaf.
At where? Oh, the ants are having a pool party. Mommy, guess what? I'm gonna join them.
No, we're going to the store. What an awesome looking shirt, man. That's an awesome looking shirt. Almost as awesome as mine. Look at, what is this?
A firework.
It's a snake.
Look.
So silly, huh?
Look.
How about that lighted up?
Oh,
What's a frog?
Mom, look. We should get this.
Yeah? Wow.
Yeah, it sounds like a junk bag.
I'm gonna take a nap.
You gonna take a nap on that pillow? Are you sleepy?
Who has a pillow there?
I don't know.
Who just leaves a pillow there? Is that a firework?
It's a parachute.
Oh.
You gonna catch parachutes?
Hey, there it comes.
Run! Catch him! Get him!
It's okay. Let her win.
Got him! Yeah, it is kind of raining. Look at the sky though, it's very pretty.
Mom, does this guy get like...
Is it a rainbow?
Yeah!
Wow!
Hey,
raining.
But guys, look over there.
A rainbow.
You can't see it, kind of, right?
Right. So we ate. Nathan came over. Evan, he went somewhere. And so it was just Nathan, Papa, and Uncle Brian. And Cora went to her parents. But yeah, we went to go get fireworks and they are so high. Usually I just get like, don't do that. Usually I just get like a pack for like $20-ish. Their packs were like 60. No. So we bought the little parachute firework. Oh, you got firecrackers.
Oh yeah.
She wanted a thing of firecrackers. Ones that go bam, 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 right?
Yeah, look at the lake. You can see the lake, kind of.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
And then we got sparklers, but it's supposed to rain, and there's like a big, I guess, thunderstorm coming. So yeah.
No.
Let's show off our beautiful shirts at least.
Daddy, look.
Oh, look at that.
Rainbow.
Oh,
Rainbow. Yeah.
I got off work yesterday. Taylor's over there from Methodist supposed to do a rainbow.
Yeah, let's show your shirt. Come here. Let's show our shirts at least. Come here. How are we gonna get a picture of all of us? Ouch! Hurt my butt. Oh my gosh, you just scared me. I thought you fell over.
Me?
Yeah.
I was like, ah!
Do that.
Hi.
Cause it scares me.
Mike, they're so cute. I got one of them.
Do it on that. And it's probably it's probably loaded with stuff on there. What is it, Jody? You ever seen $4 shot so fast? Gosh. tell trees or something.
I'm talking about these two.
No, there's four right there. Yeah, well, it took to grow them trees.
20 years.
20-something years.
Woo!
bugs up here.
I'm tripping.
You tripping? What is it?
Who lost their fingernail in it? I got that out of the bowl.
For me.
What is it? It's her fingernail.
You're not cutting
There was a couple on the bar, and it might have gotten in the saran wrap.
Well, just
That's probably what happened, guys. You chewed on it, or you just saw it.
I looked at it. I'm like,
Here's one.
I farted like that one time. Farted like that too. Those are screamers.
Oh my god.
I didn't know you were recording here and talking about past farts.
Hi guys, my hair feels funny because it was raining. I was out in the rain. Anyway, so happy 4th of July. Dinner was delicious. I mentioned earlier it was just Cora went over to her parents' house to spend the 4th, which is totally fine, you know, totally fine. So Nathan came over. Evan went to Charleston. So yeah, but we all ate and, you know, celebrated the 4th. And we would have so my plan, it always rains, seems like, on 4th of July, but my plan is that we were gonna sit outside and watch the fireworks, because as you guys saw, we get a great view of everybody's fireworks around us because we're up on a hill, and we could just see, we could see more if we didn't have the trees in the goat pen, which, you know, just have grew up over time. So normally you could see all, we live pretty much by right next to a lake. Julie, who lives across the street from Papa, has lakefront, and then it like goes around to behind the peach orchard is the lake. There's like houses in the lake. Anyway, so yeah, we normally have a good view, so we don't spend money on fireworks because, you know, sometimes, you know, we do like to oh, I forgot, we did buy Roman candles, didn't we? Did I? I have to go back and look. Did I buy some? Want to say I did. I bought the sparklers, which was $10. Oh no, I didn't buy Roman candles. That's right, I bought the parachute. Okay, so I bought the sparklers, the parachute, which I want Journey to, because, you know, that was fun for her. And then she wanted firecrackers. She's like, I want the things that go pow, 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 pow. Okay, so I got a thing of firecrackers specifically for her. And so when I, you know, set them off, she started crying because she said they were scary. So yeah, she didn't like those. But anyway, nonetheless, it was a wonderful 4th of July. There's still firecrackers, you know, fireworks going off all around us. But I'm like, you know what? I am tired. It is 10 o'clock right now. I still have one more shirt I gotta embroider out. Wasn't planning on it, but last night kind of slacked off and I didn't get it done. So I'm going to do that. We got speech therapy in the morning, and let me look here. And then on Thursday, the girls both have therapies. Sterling will have her therapy, and then Journey has 5th birthday. Occupational therapy. Gosh, you guys. I am tired. And I slept in. I slept in till almost 10 o'clock. But I am like dragging butt right now to keep my eyes open. I'm just like, oh, I gotta cut that. I gotta straighten there. I gotta thread. Anyway, let me cut that. Get this set up. Package these up while that's stitching out. And then I'm going to bed.
Thanks for watching. Hey, tomorrow. Bye, guys.